Hello friends, today I'm gonna share with you how you can check your internet speed in Android. So you can check your internet speed in download and upload as well. So I will show you two different ways so you can check it. Okay, so initially we need to go Play Store. Here Play Store, then simply search and write here speed test by Okola. This one, okay, you can see this one, and if you check their app's performance, 4.3 ratings and 1 million reviews, it just 20, yes, 20 MB and 100 million downloads. So this is very good apps you can use and check your own speed. Okay, so install it. Okay, it takes a few times, so we need to patience friend. Okay, download in installing, just wait for a moment, then we will check our internet speed. So please friend, after getting your internet speed, please write comment below what is your speed. Okay, so you can also check myself, so open on it, click open. Okay, next and continue. It takes a location and something else. Okay, allow. Okay, they need some permission. So here you can see, so simply click go. Okay, connect in device, so you can see the up portion. Okay, I'll notify it, upload and download speed. Okay, so here is first showing download mbps. Here you can see my download mbps, yes, 10.5, and now it's turned on upload mbps. So upload mbps is more than 5, yes, 48.6 upload mbps. So you can check your on device, and friend, please comment in your uh, speed in Wi-Fi or data in your phone. So you can see my speed test, download mbps 10.5 and upload mbps 48.6. So okay, this one is done, and another way I can show you. You can also check it in the one browser. You can find Google Chrome or any other browser. Just simply click fast.com. Okay, this one. You can also check your internet speed in this website. So just here go, and okay, you can see the mbps. So it's mbps in your broadband mbps. Okay, so your broadband gives you this mbps. So my internet is speed 2 mbps, so it's around 2 or up or below. It's maybe up and down. Okay, so you can check your own speed, and please comment, do comment, that's why we know your internet speed. Okay friends, please make sure my YouTube channel so that I can provide you best video and later. Okay friend, stay cool, bye bye.